The port forwarding option is available under the Network menu. Please see the advanced options and try to add a port forwarding rule. Set the host port to 63022 and the guest port to 22. Port 22 is the SSH port on the guest server, that is, Fedora 39 server. Start the virtual machine. In the search option, type PuTTY and run it. Now, you can either create a new connection or select a predefined connection. Our server address is 127.0.0.1 for the localhost machine, and the host port is 63022. Connect to the SSH server. Provide your username and password. Now, start the WinSCP application and connect to the server as you did with PuTTY. You may receive a similar kind of message. Left side panel is for local or host machine. Right side is for remote or Fedora 39 server machine. I am now copying a PDF file from the Windows host to the Fedora server. Connect to the SSH server. Great! The PDF file has been successfully copied. Thank you for watching this video.